Welcome future innovators and entrepreneurial spirits to the Book MBA channel. Today we're delving into the heart of what makes businesses thrive, the new business ideas. This isn't about a fleeting trend or a single revolutionary concept. It's about a profound understanding of how new ideas are born, why some succeed while others falter, and how you can cultivate a mindset that consistently generates opportunities. Imagine a world where the next big thing isn't just a stroke of luck, but the result of a systematic approach, a sharpened perception, and a willingness to challenge the status quo. That's the essence of the new business ideas. This book, in its collective wisdom, teaches us that while a brilliant idea is the spark, it's the disciplined process of nurturing, validating, and executing that truly ignites a successful venture. We're going to embark on a journey that deconstructs the art and science of business idea generation. Forget the myth of the lone genius having an epiphany in a vacuum. This book reveals that ideas are everywhere, waiting to be discovered, connected, and transformed into tangible value. Let's begin with the crucial first step, the art of observation and problem solving. The book emphasizes that the most compelling new business ideas don't appear out of thin air. They emerge from identifying problems, frustrations, and unmet needs that people or businesses face. This requires keen observation, paying attention to the small inconveniences in daily life, the inefficient processes in industries, or the unfulfilled desires of specific demographics. Think about it. What makes people complain? What tasks are tedious or time-consuming? What existing products or services fall short? The book encourages us to become detectives of dissatisfaction. By actively listening, empathizing, and questioning, we uncover the pain points that are ripe for a novel solution. This isn't just about consumer problems, it extends to business opportunities, identifying inefficiencies in supply chains, or gaps in corporate services. Once a problem is identified, the next critical phase is idea generation and brainstorming. This book champions structured creativity over haphazard thinking. It introduces various techniques to unlock your creative potential. Mind mapping, visually connecting ideas and concepts to expand possibilities. Scamper method, a powerful tool for innovation. Substitute, combine, adapt, modify, put to another use, eliminate, reverse. Apply these prompts to existing products or services to generate new variations or entirely new offerings. Lateral thinking, moving away from conventional solutions to explore unconventional paths. Trend analysis, how are technological, social, environmental, political, and economic trends shaping the future? Identifying emerging trends can reveal future needs and demands. For instance, the rise of remote work has spurred a multitude of new business ideas in collaboration tools, home office solutions, and virtual event platforms. Similarly, growing environmental concerns are fueling innovation in sustainable products and services. Beyond these methods, the book stresses the importance of cross-industry inspiration. Often, the most innovative ideas come from applying successful models or solutions from one industry to a completely different one. Could a subscription model from the software world be applied to a physical product? Could a community-building strategy from social media be adapted for a local service? After generating a pool of ideas, the book moves to the crucial stage of idea validation and market research. This is where dreams meet reality. A brilliant idea in your head is just a hypothesis until it's tested against the market. The book outlines essential steps. Customer interviews. Don't just ask people if they like your idea. Ask them about their problems, their current solutions, and how much they'd be willing to pay for a better one. This provides qualitative data that's invaluable. Surveys and questionnaires. For quantitative insights, surveys can gauge interest, pricing sensitivity, and feature preferences across a wider audience. Minimum viable product, MVP. The book strongly advocates for building an MVP, the simplest version of your product or service that delivers core value. This allows you to test your assumptions quickly and gather real-world feedback with minimal investment, avoiding the trap of building something nobody wants. Competitive analysis. Who else is trying to solve this problem? What are their strengths and weaknesses? How can your idea offer a unique advantage or fill an existing gap? This isn't about copying, but about identifying differentiation. The new business ideas also dedicate significant attention to identifying market gaps and unmet needs. This is where the magic happens. It's about looking beyond the obvious and finding niches where existing solutions are inadequate or non-existent. This can involve demographic shifts. Are there underserved age groups, cultural communities, or lifestyle segments? Technological advancements. How can new technologies like AI, blockchain, or virtual reality create entirely new categories of products or services? Regulatory changes. New laws or regulations can open up new markets or necessitate new solutions. Value chain analysis. Where are the inefficiencies or opportunities for disruption within an existing industry's value chain? Could you offer a more efficient distribution method? a more cost-effective manufacturing process, or a superior customer experience. The book emphasizes that an idea isn't just a product or service, it's a complete package that addresses a problem and delivers value. This leads us to the critical concept of the value proposition. What unique value are you offering? Why should a customer choose you over alternatives? This book guides you through crafting a compelling value proposition that clearly communicates your unique benefits and solves a specific customer problem. Furthermore, the New Business Ideas delves into the different types of new business ideas. Innovation. Creating something entirely new that solves a problem in a novel way. Improvement. Taking an existing product or service and making it significantly better, faster, cheaper, or more convenient. Extension. Expanding an existing business into new markets or offering complementary products/services. Replication. Adapting a successful business model from one geographic location or industry to another where it doesn't currently exist. This isn't copying. It's smart adaptation. Crucially, the book doesn't stop at idea generation. It transitions into the essential aspects of feasibility and viability. An idea might be brilliant, but is it actually possible to implement? And is it profitable? Technical feasibility. Do you have the technology, resources, and expertise to build it? Financial viability. Can you generate enough revenue to cover costs and make a profit? This involves preliminary financial modeling, understanding your cost structure, and estimating potential revenue streams. Operational feasibility. Can you actually deliver the product or service efficiently and effectively? What are the logistical challenges? The book also underscores the importance of iterative development and agility. The journey from idea to successful business is rarely a straight line. It's a process of continuous learning, adaptation, and refinement. New business ideas thrive on feedback loops, embracing failure as a learning opportunity, and being willing to pivot when necessary. The world moves fast, and your idea needs to be able to evolve with it. Finally, the New Business Ideas instills a crucial entrepreneurial mindset. It's about risk tolerance, understanding and managing risk, not avoiding it. Resilience, bouncing back from setbacks and learning from mistakes. Passion and purpose, building a business around something you genuinely care about, as this fuels perseverance. Action orientation. Ideas are just ideas until you start executing. The book encourages taking small, calculated steps forward to bring your ideas to life. In summary, the New Business Ideas is not merely a catalogue of potential ventures. It's a systematic guide to becoming a prolific idea generator and a savvy entrepreneur. It empowers you to identify real problems in the world, generate innovative solutions through structured creativity, rigorously validate your concepts with market feedback, assess the feasibility and viability of your ventures, embrace an agile, iterative approach to development. This book is a roadmap for transforming abstract thoughts into concrete opportunities. It teaches you to look beyond the surface, question assumptions, and see potential where others see only challenges. It's about cultivating the skills to consistently spot the next wave of opportunity, no matter what industry you're in. So, if you're eager to unlock your entrepreneurial potential, to move from contemplation to creation, and to build something truly impactful, the New Business Ideas is your indispensable companion. It will change the way you see the world, transforming everyday frustrations into exciting business possibilities. Thank you for joining us on this exploration of the New Business Ideas on the Book MBA channel. We trust this summary has equipped you with valuable insights and sparked your own entrepreneurial curiosity. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel for more deep dives into essential business literature, and hit that notification bell to stay ahead of the curve with the Book MBA channel.